In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set an alarm on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So the first thing is to open the clock app. And then from here, ensure that the tab alarm has been selected. As you can see, I already have one alarm created already, even if it's been turned off. So if you wish to add another alarm, tap on the plus button at the top of your screen and then select the time you wish your alarm to ring. It can be any time you want. It can be morning, afternoon, or evening, and even at night. So it's up to you to decide what time suits your needs. Then select the days you wish the alarm to ring. So you can use these buttons to choose and select the days you wish your alarm to ring. And you'll notice that whenever you select a day, it's being added. So every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, as well as Thursday, my alarm will ring. If you wish to remove, just tap on that same option and it will be deleted. Then you can choose to add an alarm name. So this makes it easy to identify which alarm is ringing if you choose to have multiple of them. And then scroll down. You also have the option of having an alarm sound. So to customize this, just tap on that option. Then you can choose to have a pre-installed tone, or you can choose to use a Spotify song. Once you've chosen whatever tone you would like, you can use this slider to increase or decrease the alarm volume that it's going to ring. So it's up to you to decide how loud or how quiet the alarm will be. And then you can go back, customize the vibration. You can enable this or disable this, as well as choose what type of vibration you can use. You'll also notice that if you're holding your phone and then you select a vibration, you'll be given a preview of how it will feel like. Once you've selected one, you can go back. Then you can also set a snooze timer. So you can choose to have this enabled or disabled. And if you leave it enabled, you can customize the interval for the snooze timer. And you can set a custom interval if you don't find the one that suits your needs here. And you can also have it set to 3 different repeat times: 3 times, 5 times, or forever. So customize that to your liking, and then you can go back. And you also have the option to have an alarm background. So whenever your alarm rings, your background will appear. So you can just tap on that, and then you can choose to use photos and videos if you prefer. So it's up to you to customize the alarm background, and then just tap on done to save the changes, and then tap on save to create your new alarm. So now you have created a new alarm on your phone. If you wish to turn it off without deleting the alarm, you can just tap on the toggle and it will be disabled until the next day. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.